You're welcome back to the class. And in this tutorial, we're going to be talking on fish normal and abnormal behaviors. So let's get on to the class itself. So, in fish normal and abnormal behavior, you can always observe crackhead. Now, crackhead is an abnormal behavior. Crackhead is actually an illness in fish, which is caused by deficiency. So what happens is you should always observe more of feeding. When they are being underfed or non-availability of feed, they will always get crackhead. And when you want to solve this problem, you should give them vitamin C and feed them very well. So you can buy any multivitamin for them, or you get your chemist, get a vitamin C, mix it with your feed, and feed them very well. Side swimming. Side swimming is not good for them. They might be having inches somewhere around their body, and that inches always are being caused by an infection. So what do you get for them? You either get antibiotic or probiotic for them. So whichever works in your area, you can get antibiotics or probiotics for them. Probiotics actually is an organic medication, while antibiotics is a chemical medication. When they are hanging, you see them putting their head on the water when the water is clean. Thank you for choosing Grantskills as your #1 online free professional course creator. For your notice, I want you to know that the instructor of this course has put in so much effort, time and money just to create this content for you to learn all for free. So please do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to all so you will be the first to get our video tutorials we'll be posting at all time. Also give it a thumbs up and drop a comment to help us improve more. Thank you. When there is no pollution in water, or when the water is so clean and you still see them hanging, just standing straight, their head up and their tail down. When you mostly see this from fries, fingerlings, post-fingerlings, juveniles, and post-juveniles. So you always see this in them. So what do? You get an antibiotic or a probiotic. When they are not eating, it's also bad. That is, they are lacking appetite. What do you get for them? You get multivite for them. Get to your vet shop and get any multivite medication for them and add to their feed and give to them. Or if they're not eating at all, you can bring down the water to 90% and add the multivite directly to the pond where they are, and then make sure the water is fresh water. You add the medication for them. So the medication, you're gonna add at least 1 sachet to 500 liters of water, depending on the kind of medication you got. When they are dying more than 2 daily, that is also a bad sign. That could be a bacteria or infectious or salmonella caused by the fish. So what do you get for them? Get an antibiotics or a probiotic. So you can see fishes are more likely to be to get an attention, or their problems are more to be solved with antibiotics or probiotics and also multivitamin. So their problems always leads to multivitamin and antibiotics. Okay, so when they are clustering, it is good for them to cluster in a place. So when they are clustering, just allow them. You mostly see this during the day when they go one side and they cluster. That's a good thing for them. So if the water is somehow not clean, so you just add fresh water for them. Even when the water is also fresh, they still cluster. So it is normal for them to cluster. When they are swimming up and down, it's a normal thing for them to do. When they are having high appetite, they are eating so much. You need to thank God for that, that they are eating so much. So just make sure you give them more of their feed. If they are having more appetite, feed them. If they are having lower appetite, you regulate the feed. So that is it for fish normal and abnormal behavior. Thank you very much for staying in the class.